All right, we're at towards the end of the day on this Tuesday, whatever it is. I don't know. Take a look. Tuesday the 18th. That's what I thought. Okay, and SPY is showing a little weakness here. It's really spiked up hard today, so let's put on a little trade. Volatility is really low. We've got another position in there over here. But let's do one where for a low volatility, since we did this position, we didn't collect a lot of premium. And that one's just kind of a pairs trade with the SPY and Qs. But let's put on a position for a low volatility underlying that we think is going to go down. So we'll look over here, and first thing I'll do is we're going to buy the first in the money. So we'll go to the ask column where it says buy. I'm going to left click that and drop this down. And we'll take a look at the hold down the control key and go to the sell column and the first out of the strike. Okay, so it's a $1 spread. We're collecting 46 cents. Put a confirm the send. So the buying power effect is just $46. Max profit is 54. All right, so let's maybe we'll do some more of those. Oops, wrong way. We can increase the quantities here with these little arrows, and we're going to push that up to, we'll do 10 of them. Keep it even. Hit confirm and send again. That shows a buying power effect of 470. Now we'll go ahead and send that through, and that'll create a vertical. Before I send that, let me copy this order, and let's see if we can pull this up and analyze this trade. Now you can see in the Analyze tab, it's showing this in how it affects in relation to our other position that we have on the same underlying. So if we want to see it without that position, we can go here. So you can see right now, if you look real close on your Analyze tab, on your Analyze screen, there's a tiny little green bar in there. They make it really hard to see, but it's there, and that's where it's trading right now. And these dotted lines are the one standard deviation lines. So right now we're looking at a 50-50 probability on this one. So we're basically risking one to make one. Okay. And we'll go ahead and go back to the trade page, and instead of having to set up that whole thing again, we'll go here, and I can just hit the clipboard, and it pulls up whatever I copied right on there. This little clipboard guy right over here. Okay. Now, if I want to increase the strike width, we can do that. The one we sold was the 206. Now, if we want to push that down, sorry, the one we sold was a 205. Let me back up there. The one we sold was a 205 right there. So we can pull this little drop down box and make it $2 wide. See what happens there. Well, now it shows the same debit because we locked that in. We're going to unlock that. Makes it 85 cents, basically doubled that. So we're collecting 85 cents on a $2 wide spread. And go to the confirm and send. So now buying power effect would be 850 with a max profit of 1150. So let's do that. We'll keep it that way. $2 wide spread. And hit confirm and send once. Double check everything. Doing 10 of them. And we'll hit confirm and send. Go to the monitor tab up here. We can see how the order is sitting in queue. And I want to go ahead and get a quick fill on this. So I'll go to the cancel replace. So we did that. This little button over here. I'm going to click on that, select cancel replace, and increase the debit, the amount we're willing to pay. We'll go up a few cents, and because I'm not on a paper trading platform, I'm not really worried about it. We're just looking to get a fill. And there it goes. It shows it up there. If you miss it there, you can go to your message bar up here at the top, pull that down, and it'll show the messages in case you missed them. Okay, so now go over here, SLV, the monitor tab, activity positions. I'm sorry, SPY. Pull that down, and there we go. It shows that we now have this vertical, and it also shows that naked call position. If we get worried about the naked call getting tested, we can always go in here and say, okay, that's at 48 deltas. That's the directional risk. So we're basically short 48 shares of SPY. If we do not like that risk, we can take some of that off, but we've offset the risk with the Q's position, so we're just going to let that go. Because as this position loses, the Q's position should gain. Alright, so we're good.